Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of the Lord, most gracious, most merciful. My dear students, I am your English teacher, Asif Ali. And first of all, I would like to tell you what we are going to do. Before this, I would tell you that this is the first year class and for all groups, and its subject is English and the topic the character of happy life, which is a poem from selection of English verses. The poet, the writer of this poem is Sir Henry Wotton, 1568 to 1639. I am going to describe the character of happy life. Now, first of all, you would be thinking about it, that what would be the meaning of this line or this poetic line. The character of happy life. Character is the total sum of the habits, and it is, as it has been said, that character is just like a perfume into the flowers. So the Sir Henry has defined it, his poetic, philosophical, this poem into a very panoramic way. So we need a book, and you all are requested to please open the English book selection from English verses, The Character of a Happy Life, composed by Sir Henry Wotton. How happy is he born or taught? कितना खुश नसीब है वो जो पैदा हुआ है और उसे सिखाया गया है. How joyful, how happy he is that he has learnt and taught. What he has learnt, what he has taught, that serves not another's will. That he has learnt that he does not follow the emotions of other people. He follows in his own way, which is a perfect, which is a panoramic, which is a way that leads him to his goal, whose armor in his honest thought, जिसका हथियार उसकी आला सोचे हैं, ईमानदाराना सोचे हैं. His weapon is his honest thoughts, and simple truth his utmost skill. Now, what is the meaning? और सादा सच उसकी हाईएस्ट डिग्री है, स्किल है, महारत है, आला महारत है. सच उसकी आला महारत है. Whose patience not his masters are. Patience, the word we have written it, that patience means intense feelings or emotions. वो किसी और के जज्बात को फॉलो नहीं करता. He is not the slave of anybody, but he follows in his own way to find out his goal. Furthermore, he says, whose soul is still prepared for death. He is not afraid of anybody. He is not afraid of death. Whenever the death comes, he is ready to accept it, because it is the will of Almighty Allah. As in the Holy Quran, it has been said that soul, that is the Amre Rabbi, only this definition is described, and nothing more than this is described in Holy Quran about it. That it is the order of the Almighty Allah, and we all have to accept it. Willingly we have to accept it. Untied unto the world by care, वो दूसरी फिक्रात से बिल्कुल फ्री है, आज़ाद है, गलत फिक्रात है, रॉन्ग थिंकिंग्स, बिल्कुल उससे आज़ाद है। और पब्लिक फेम, जो कि आम लोगों की जो ख्वाहिशात हैं या उनका नाम है, उनसे ये बिल्कुल फ्री है, उसको ये शोहरत नहीं चाहिए, और ना ही जो है प्राइवेट ब्रेथ या ज़ाती जो है तौर पर उसको खुशियाँ जो है वो चाहिए। लेकिन वो चीज़ जिसके बारे में द राइटर हैज सेड इज दैट ही डज नॉट what people say about him in private breath, what people say about him. Yes, who envies none, he is not jealous of anybody. Envies means jealousy that chance doth raise. If the chance is given to anybody, he is not jealous of them, because the personal efforts are the fruit of his success. Nor wise, वो ये समझता ही नहीं, who never understand, ये कभी समझता ही नहीं कि बुराई है क्या. He is totally unaware of this fact that what is the envy or what is the jealousy and what is the vice. बुराइयों के बारे में वो जानता ही नहीं. How deepest wounds are given by praise. कितने गहरे घाव मिलते हैं जब किसी की तारीफ की जाती है. यहाँ पर शायर कह रहा है कि जब हम किसी की तारीफ करते हैं, whenever we praise anybody, we have some personal motive to achieve from the other person. The person may be a flatterer, an oily-tongued person, and that can be dangerous for him if he makes any plan to catch him, to plunder him. Not rules of state, but rules of good. He does not follow the rules of state, but the rules of good, the universal rules that are followed by the Almighty Allah, that are given by the Almighty Allah. He follows them. Who hath his life from rumors freed. जिसकी जिंदगी अफवाहों से आज़ाद है। वो किसी भी ह्यूमर्स को फॉलो नहीं करता जब तक कि when he is fully determined and he accepts and understands the thing, then he spreads that thing and accepts it. If he learned from other people and what he listens, from what he gets information from other people. Whose conscience? Now this word is a very philosophical in a way, that conscience, what is the conscience? The two words there come here. One is conscious, other is conscience. Conscience means the awareness of good and bad, while the conscious, it means total range of awareness, आगाही. और वो conscience that is called ज़मीर. हम अक्सर ये कहते हैं कि आपका ज़मीर जिंदा है या मुर्दा. That is the awareness of good and bad. That conscious, वो उसका ज़मीर उसका मजबूत किला है. A strong retreat, a place of safety. Here I have mentioned a state, a strong place into which he can retire safely. एक बहुत ही मजबूत जगह जहां से वो कहीं भी जा सकता है. A strong place into which he can retire